Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for May 26, 2020. Today we're looking at the AUDUSD Australian versus US dollar for today's trade analysis. Today we could see on the daily time frame this currency pair has been in an uptrend for quite a while. We go all the way back to mid to late March, bottomed out down here into the low 0.55s and has been basically running up ever since. We see a couple of periods highlighted by the black boxes where the market pulled back, had a little bit of retracement, and then continued the uptrend, pulled back, had a little retracement, continued the uptrend for a period of time here. At the top black box, you can see the red and blue trend lines bounced around in there for a pretty good long while, and now breaking out above that range or that period of bouncing around for the past couple of weeks. Now we're breaking out to the top side, looking for a breakout strategy. Typically what we're looking for is for it to get above what was resistance, and we then would look for that same historical resistance to become support. But for the most part, again, looking for the long-term uptrend to continue at the current moment. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a couple of times, and this is what I mean by the breakout strategy. The last resistance that we see right here, I'll just circle it with this black circle. The last resistance that we see right here, we're going to now expect that to become our support for the day today. Breaking out above there, we'll look for it to sit on top of that. This is 0.6605, 0.6595, right around 66. We're looking for that to become our intraday support, continue to target to the next level. Interesting enough, the 200 period moving average right there at that orange zone, 0.664565 is the next resistance. So in essence, basically what we're looking for is for it to sit down on top of this pink zone and continue to rise towards the orange zone. That's going to be our lowest risk, highest reward opportunity to enter is on a dip. I don't really want to buy at the highest high. That's never going to make any sense to me, buying at the highest peak high. But buying on a dip into support becomes an opportunity. Now it could go all the way back down here to the green zone as well, so we need to be watchful for that. But as long as it's above the pink zone, that becomes the area to watch. 4-hour time frame. We just zoom it on down there, and there it is, getting above that pink zone that we just looked at. There's the same resistance high right here on the 4-hour time frame. So again, what I'd like to see is it stay above that pink zone and then bounce back up to the orange zone. So getting as close as possible. Then you can place your stop loss underneath the pink zone, underneath 65.95. That way you minimize the risk if the market turns around and goes back in the other direction. 66.05.95. Current market 66.26.25, somewhere in that area. So again, probably needs to drop back down about 20 pips before I would consider the long opportunity for the Australian dollar today. There's not really any considerable reason to take a short here on this currency pair today. So not really looking to short, but looking for the breakout setup on the Aussie dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.